Hi, we're Josh and Vanessa, a Canadian couple driving our 1994 Toyota Land Cruiser from BC, Canada down to Argentina. But this isn't just a highlight reel. We're here to show you all the ups and downs, the lessons learned, and the memories made along the way. We are destined for wild. So the last video you guys probably saw was a video of us in Costa Rica, but in this video we're clearly not there. So fast forward to the present day now, which is January 2024, when we're back home from our trip, and the truck's been through some stuff. It's definitely tired, is what our mechanic said, with the engine just being pushed a lot because we drove all the way down to Argentina. But we decided to swap the engine, and part of that is also fixing up some other things with it. So today we decided to just change out the light bulbs in the front because we got sent some really awesome light bulbs. So yeah, watch that.
So today we're going to swap in the headlights. So we got some headlights from these guys. So we figured, you know what, if Paco's going to get a new heart and everything else, we may as well get some new lights as well. So we're going to throw in a set of these and see the difference that it makes. So very much looking forward to this. I hate driving in the dark. So basically I've always been teased and made fun of for adding lights to everything. Now this is giving us a hand. So we're gonna have better headlights after today, which I'm looking forward to.
Yeah, get that ASMR.
Wow. Oh wow. This has a fancy kit that you're supposed to wear apparently. You're supposed to have gloves on. These are sick. So these actually have fans and everything. I forget how bright these ones are. But this is definitely going to be an upgrade from what we have. So I'm very much looking forward to that. So simple as that. Need headlights are.
Alright, let's test them out. In our excitement of getting these new bulbs installed to the Land Cruiser, we completely forgot to get footage of the ones from before. Let's just say these ones are so much better and we were really stoked to have them in the truck. We just want to say a huge thank you to Oxedo for sending these light bulbs to us. We are really stoked to try them out in the field, and we encourage you to check out their other awesome products they got on their website. There'll be a link in the description below. Thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned to see more videos to come about our trip down to Argentina.